DesignCenter is a content management system released with the 2000 AutoCAD to help you share content between drawings like blocks, layers, layout, styles, etc. Conventionally, you open the drawing with the required item and copy-paste the items into your drawing. Although this video is created in AutoCAD 2024, DesignCenter looks and works the same in the other AutoCAD releases. DesignCenter can be accessed through the Palettes panel found under the View tab, by typing ADC or Add Center on the command line, or pressing Ctrl+2. Its location in the tabs might be different with other AutoCAD versions. The DesignCenter is a palette and can be docked and hidden in the same way as any other palette, such as the Tools palette or the Properties palette. Once it is open, at the top you will find a row of icons that you can use to set it up to your preference. You can view the folder list, turn on a preview and description panel, perform a search, and so on. The Folders tab can be used to navigate to the file you want to transfer information from. If the drawing is open, then it can be found under the Open Drawings tab. Working with an open drawing is the preferred method, as it is not as cluttered as the folder list. Once you access a drawing.dwg, a standards file.dws, or a template.dwt, it will appear in the History tab, making it even easier to access the file you need. When a folder is selected, the right side Content area will show icons representing the files within the folder. Click on the file from the navigation area, or double-click on a file icon from the Content area. The Content area will change to display icons representing the named objects in the drawing. Double-click on the icon you need. DesignCenter will quickly generate thumbnail icons of all the blocks in the drawing. Just drag and drop the items into the drawing editor. You can select as many items as you want. Right-clicking within the blank area will reveal a pop-up menu that lets you access various navigation and viewing tools. Right-clicking on one or more of the block icons gives you more options for interacting with the items. Notice that at the bottom of both right-click pop-ups, there is a Create Tool palette at the bottom. Selecting it will create and populate a new tool palette containing all the selected thumbnail icons. Also from this menu is the easiest way to redefine the block definition in your target drawing. You'll even have an option to go ahead and insert it once the block table's definition has been redefined. If you need to do some modification to the block, you can even go right to the block editor from here. For all the other categories, such as styles and layers, you can add them by dragging and dropping into your current drawing, or right-click to access the Add tool. The search function can be used to find content even when you don't know which file has the item or even its full name. Click on the search icon in the DesignCenter navigation bar. You'll get a dialog where you can specify what type of item to look for, where, and various search criteria. To look for part of a text string, for example, items that contain the word pipe, use the global wildcard of asterisk after pipe to find anything that starts with that word. Start the search, and once done, the results will appear in the bottom panel. If you notice that you found what you're looking for, feel free to stop the search, which may speed up your workflow. Double-click on the proper result to load its parent file into DesignCenter. To import a layout from another drawing, select the Open Drawings tab in the DesignCenter dialog. Expand the source drawing tree. Select Layouts in the tree. Select the desired layouts to import. Right-click and select Add Layouts. The layouts will be imported and DesignCenter can be closed.